Hey guys, got another package here. Let's get opening. Sorry I haven't been making videos. I just haven't been getting anything to make a video on. The school year starts up soon, and I'm probably gonna be making. I'm trying to make at least one video a week, but I don't know how well that's gonna work out for me. So yeah. This is a little shipping information and stuff. You'll see it once it comes out of the package. You'll obviously know what it is. It's a zippo. This is $18.95. That's a zippo, obviously. Black. Still has the back on. It's like it's a smooth finish. I guess a matte. I don't know. M-A-T-T-E. I don't know how you pronounce it, but got one right here. So yep, that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.